The expectation is that it's going to be pretty similar to them getting, as a result of them having done so well in high school, if they use the same great efforts that they used at that time, they'll do fine at the college level. Totally unknown to them how much work has to be done, how quickly things have to be turned over, that they have to be aware of so much. And so many students come in and they really don't understand exactly what their strengths and their weaknesses are until they arrive, and then they get that first quiz, that first test, that first paper, and then grades come in. So right around mid-semester time, around October, is usually the first time that some students realize, I'm not in Kansas anymore, and okay, now what do I do? And some of them don't have plans because they never had to. They've never struggled. They've never had to think twice about how they approach their classes or what they need to do differently. Sometimes they'll turn to mom and dad expecting great things there, but mom and dad are not in the picture in reference to their particular study skills or their habits or whatever. The student really has to learn what to do that's best for them for academic achievement. Every single student I look at is a mystery, and I like reading mysteries. So it's a case of, okay, let's figure this one out. They brought this or whatever to the table. Let's figure out the rest of the utensils, like the plates and whatever else. We'll work on all that and come up with a different menu that will work best for that student. Because some of the categories are pretty general in reference to test taking and note taking and reading comprehension and the ability to communicate, but it's to what degree for each student that differs. It's how much they are aware of it, how much their personalities get in the way. If you're a perfectionist and it has to all be done right the first time, it's not going to be pretty when you're trying to write a paper and you try to make a perfect paper the first time around. You have to break it down to smaller achievable steps. So getting them to understand that you have to change the way you approach a task makes all the difference.